Okay. Now, I won't go around the room since nobody's here. Miss Johnson, have you ever had probability and statistics before?
Yes.
How long ago?
A few years.
Okay. Miss Phillips?
Never.
Never? Mr. Gilstrap?
Yeah,
How long ago?
probably like 3 years.
Mr. Phillips, how about you?
No, sir.
Okay. Never had. So we got 2 people that's never had it and 2 people that have had it and a bunch of losers that didn't show up for class today. All right. So let me make this thing, get this thing. There we go. Miss Johnson, can you turn that camera just a little bit to your right? A little bit more. There. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. All right. Now, of course, it flips to her just as soon as. Oh, well. Mr. Phillips, you're just going to have to be quiet. Just don't say anything.
Sir.
All right. All right. So, probability or statistics. Statistics. I think did we already start on statistics?
We did the slideshow, that's all.
How far did we get? Do you remember?
I think we finished it. You just didn't show us like how to do anything. It was just like what it is.
What was the last thing that I gave you? As far as notes, what was the last thing? Was it?
The cluster.
Okay, so stratified, random sample, and all that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
We got, okay. Hold on just a second. I'm just going to go, since I started there, I'll just go there and we'll just keep going because sometimes with the probability I get kind of all over the place. So I better stick with that's 12.1. We finished 12.1 is what you were saying. Okay.
I think. I don't know. We didn't write that.
I think
down.
we did. I think we finished it, but I've got it right here. I'll pull it up just to make sure, but I'm going to go ahead and pull up 12.2. Okay, here we go. So, we talked about that. We talked about some things. Yeah, I was telling y'all about the poll, political poll. I think I told y'all about that.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And we were going over some of these. I think we went over the dentist saying 1 out of 5 dentists says. I think we talked about that. I'm just looking to see if there's any of these that I really need to go over. Okay, we'll go here. We'll start from here because this is something y'all need to know about. Okay? And I want you to write, you can just write this ad lib. Make sure y'all can see. Am I presenting? Can y'all see my PowerPoint?
Yeah. Charts and graphs. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so the reason I want to talk about this is what a lot of magazines do, magazines and newspapers, and they don't do it on purpose. Sometimes a statistician or a mathematician may give a reporter or something the statistics, and then they give it to this graphics person that's never had but 1 or 2 math courses in their whole life because they've studied graphics, and they don't see what they're doing from a mathematical standpoint. So sometimes the error in charts and graphs is by mistake, and sometimes it's not by mistake. So you have to research it. If you do find a mistake, or if you do see a mistake, you got to determine whether it was meant to be or whether it was a mistake. Now, each graph represents identical months. All right? But why is it different? Because the Y scale is more detailed. Okay? If I expand the Y scale and make it like this, then that makes the slope look what? More steeper. Okay? So it's kind of like we said before. There's lies, damn lies, and what?